Wells Mercer is marketed as an online fashion boutique offering stylish clothing and accessories at attractive prices. The website features polished product photos and frequent discounts. But the real question is, can you trust this boutique store? Now, to be fair, many online boutiques legitimately sell fashionable clothing at competitive prices. Being a lesser-known brand doesn't automatically make a store unreliable. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, outerwear, and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Regular promotions and discounts can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The fabric, stitching, and overall finish may not always match the expectations created by the product photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online boutiques, sizing may differ between products, so checking the size guide is important. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before placing an order, review the shipping times, return policy, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from Wells and Mercer? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the styles and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.